The Chamber of Commerce and Industry has applied the blowtorch to anyone seeking election or re-election. Sick of the tit-for-tat of politics, the peak body says those without ideas shouldn't bother running for public office.
Releasing the latest business index, the Chamber of Commerce warns politicians to use the figures constructively. Robert Wallace says too often they're employed for short-term political gain.
If there's a slight upswing, for example, in expectation, the government will say, wow, look what we've done, and then the opposition will say, well, actually it should have been more than that.
Instead, business wants ideas.
Each elected member that is representing their constituents in this state, regardless of party, does have an obligation to find ways of getting this state out of the debt crisis that it's in.
Confidence remains weak in Tasmania, up to 26.5, well below the 50-point benchmark.
The economy is still expected to slow down, but maybe not quite as badly as what we were thinking 3 months ago.
Economic Development Minister David O'Byrne says growth will be underpinned by the comprehensive Economic Development Plan. The Greens agree training is crucial.
Providing employees ready for work for businesses with the appropriate skill set. Now, that's the only one of the criteria there really the state has any influence over.
We'd introduce competition into the electricity market. We'd collapse four water corporations into one to put downward pressure on water and sewerage costs. We'd start growing the forestry industry, not shutting it down.
The Chamber says we need more than just bold statements.
But what's lacking from any of them is the position of what are they going to implement in the next 6, 12 months, 2 years to actually turn around the financial crisis that we've got.
Alex Johnston, Southern Cross News.
Stay with us. Coming up after the break,